I am back. It's been so long. It just feels like 3 weeks was really long to be away, but I had a good time. I had some time to relax and just rest a bit. But I am back to a very warm, humid, stormy Sweden. So yeah, there was a storm last night. A lot of rain came, but it's so nice to be back, and I'm jumping right back into the window business. I'm hoping less window breaking this time, but yeah, cannot be guaranteed. It's really muggy. I'll show you some footage last night, how much fog we had after the rain. At like 10 o'clock in the evening I went out and I couldn't see my neighbor's house because that was such thick fog just right above the ground level. But it was really beautiful. The ground is really wet, so I don't think I can cut the grass. Maybe in the evening I can try if there's no rain in between. It's so nice to be back, and can't wait to keep going with the windows. Welcome to my workshop. Back to the window business, the window restoration business. I so far broke a bunch of window panels, so I found a company where I can order window glass from. So I'm gonna measure what do I need and just order. I'd rather have more because it takes a long time for them to come. So I wish I had known that before, that it's gonna take about 2 weeks, 2 weeks for them to come. I would have ordered it before, but well, whatever. So it'll happen when it happens, so I can keep going with the windows. So let's do this. 42 by 40. I don't know how much wiggle room do I need. 2 millimeters enough? And also measured, these old glasses are only 1.5 millimeters thick. So no wonder they break so easy. And I have about a centimeters here. 11 millimeters. So I am thinking I could possibly even go 4 millimeters. But I'll check.
It's been a while since I last chopped firewood, but now I've bought a manual wood splitter. It's a lot safer than using an axe, even though I do love working with an axe. What I like about this splitter is that it makes it easier to handle wood with branches or big knots, where the grain is really strong. So right now my main focus is on restoring the windows, processing and storing the firewood, and keeping the grass short, which is easier said than done with all the rain we've been having lately. And of course, getting to know my neighbors and hosting as much fika as I can while I'm here. Thank you so much for being here and spending a little time with me today. It means a lot to share this journey with you. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates as I continue working on the house and settling into life here. Until next time, take care and I'll see you soon.